Are you looking for a mouse that is in your budget as well as have some fancy features like DPI, RGB lighting and other stuff? Then this is the iMice X7 for you. For the price of $6 or 500 rupees, this stands out from others. It has got solid looks, RGB lighting, 4 DPI options, a double click button on which I will talk later. So here are the specifications of the mouse as mentioned on the seller page. First, let's talk about the sensitivity of the mouse. As said earlier, it has got a DPI switch which changes the DPI among 1600, 2400, 3200 and 5500 DPI. The DPI button is fairly tactile and does its job. The left and right button makes no sound in my mouse as I have the silent version of the mouse. The scroller is also pretty much average for the price. But the thing that got my attention is the double click button. I had never heard of this feature before, so I tried it out. And here I was a bit disappointed. As the button was not a double click button, all it did was simulate the left click of the mouse simultaneously. As you can see here, it goes around 10 clicks per second. It seems pretty much useless at first, but I got it to use in games like Valorant, where you have to choose the agent before everyone else while solo queuing. You just have to simply hold the double click button over the agent you want and just swipe up to the lock-in option. It is a weird use of the button, but hey, it works. The back and the forward button on the side are good and does its job nicely. While the build of the mouse is better than average, the materials used in the mouse like the braided cables make it look and feel like a premium product. The length of wire is also very long as compared to the competition. The bottom of the mouse says iMice, we just do the best. Um, the spelling says something else, but apart from that, it has its voltage and current info, that is 5 volt and 100 milliamps. The USB cable is pretty much nice with an interference protector. It also has a little dragon logo on the USB. And now let's move on to the RGB part. If you game in night with no or minimal lights, the RGB is bright enough, but in direct light it looks dim. It has no RGB control button or software, so that may be a bummer for some people, but for the price, at least we got RGB. If the mouse is kept idle for more than a second, the lights will dim, and when you will move it a little bit, it will light up. The RGB configuration on this mouse is a little bit weird, but due to its looks, even this kind of RGB lighting looks pretty much nice. The grills on the side of this mouse, when lit up with the RGB, looks attractive. Now let's talk about the price and availability of this product. You can find hundreds of sellers selling this mouse on AliExpress. You can find it on Banggood. On the other hand, on Amazon India, you cannot find this product. But there are some clones of this product, so I would recommend not to go with them. For conclusion, I would say that for the price of $6 or 500 rupees, this is a steal. But there are other options to be considered, like this Red Gear one. At the end, I would say that this is a good mouse with some pros as well as some cons. But if you lie under the category of a budget gamer, does moderate gaming and browsing and wants something good and cheap, this might be a choice for you. However, this is a Chinese product and I do not promote any Chinese products, but I got this product as a gift from someone, so I thought I can share with you guys. That was all for this video. Hope you like this video. Like the video and subscribe to this channel for more content. Anyways, this is Amar Mohanty signing off.